The dress with hanger you received, the hanger has been pre-installed. These poles are all detachable. These rods can be bent into shapes. The spring elbow is installed here. To bend the waist curve, put two 17-centimeter long foam tubes over the waist bend pipe. Then take a spring elbow and put a washer on it and install it under the waist bend pipe. The gasket can prevent the foam tube from slipping. This is a long drawable. The skirt expansion rod is installed under the elbow pipe. These two angled foam tubes are installed here to transition from thick to thin. Prevent the skirt from protruding. Put the two longer foam tubes on the upper arm and elbow joint. The forearm expansion rod is also equipped with a gasket, and install it. Prevent the foam tube from slipping. Then install the shorter foam tube on the position of the forearm. Fix the end with washers and screws to prevent the foam tube from slipping. The extra foam tubes can be used when shooting short sleeve tops.